Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to export a BandLab project as an MP3 file. So first open BandLab and sign into your account. Now go to your project and select the song or project you want to export. Then open the project and make sure you finished editing your tracks. Now when you're ready, look for the export or download option and choose the audio export option provided by BandLab. If MP3 is available for your project and account, then select MP3 as the format. Then choose the available quality settings if BandLab gives you those options. Then confirm the export and wait while BandLab processes the project. Now once it's finished, save the resulting file to your phone or computer. Remember that export options can vary depending on the BandLab version and the device. Also make sure you have the necessary rights to any samples, recordings, or other material included in your project before sharing the finished file. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.